Some people don't come into your life to love you. They come into your life to use you. They don't come to bring to your life. They come to take from it. They don't see you as a person. They see you as an opportunity. These are the type of people that don't love you for you. They love you for what they can take from you. That's why they never show up, no matter how many times you showed up for them. So stop breaking your back for people who clearly won't do the same for you.